I have to admit, I'm one of those people that is incredibly impatient. I'm Gina with WTI, and something so simple as this water dispenser gets me on my way quicker. I use this VonWater reverse osmosis filtration system because it dispenses hot and cold water, and it's instant at the touch of my fingers. We also love to make our own carbonated water, and generally I would have to wait for that to get cool in the fridge before I could carbonate it. But because the water already comes out chilled, I can immediately carbonate it. Also, having this pitcher of chilled water on the side ready to go has been so convenient when I want to fill my water bottle. Plus, this gives me 7-stage filtration, so the water tastes so good, so pure, and it makes me want to drink more water. Saving water is important to me, and this has a 3-to-1 drain ratio. Also, you don't have to hassle with changing any of your plumbing. This is a countertop model, and changing the filter takes you 3 seconds. It is really just plug and play. I did a TDS check on my tap water versus what comes out of this filter, and as you can see, huge improvement. This filtration system really fits into my on-the-go life, and that's my point of view.